What we really want to do as footballers, as sportsmen, is to be able to maintain that camaraderie and in terms of bonding with each other. What also makes Chung Fah very special is Chung Fah's understanding and commitment to friendship. As Chung Fah will tell you, Chung Fah and I have been friends from the early days of Wellington Town. The thing with him is that from I know Chung Fah, he always had a soccer team. And the first time he and I were going to play against each other with each team, he claimed that Sidney Bartlett was going to play for him. But Sidney Bartlett came out of Wellington Town and lived on Carly Road. So I told him, no, you can't. Sidney has to play on my team. Unfortunately, he lost about 5-2. That was the first time I beat him, and it was, in fact, here is it. Sidney Bartlett is sitting between them, and Sidney Bartlett really was, in many respects, somebody we loved. And in fact, we had quite a memorable service for him last year in Jamaica. But that again shows you the commitment to friendship. And that is something that we have also extrapolated from the world of football. And so we want to keep that alive, and we want to make certain that we can, in fact, as we go forward after tonight, maintain that high level of camaraderie and friendship and commitment to each other. And I think in many respects, Chung Fah personifies that.
Professor Wilson, how much you want for this speech? Here is Winston Chung Fah. First of all, it's a sorry pudding. But I feel so humbled and blessed tonight. I have people here from Toronto. I have people from New York, Atlanta, all over the United States. I don't know why the one Dan Clark, everywhere I go, Dan Clark behind me. But ambassadors, let me thank you much.
So Chungy, last week now, Jamaica ambassadors kept a function down here in Kendall, South Miami, to honor you and to really bring back remembrance. I saw national football players and major league players and high school players going back maybe 30, 40 years there from Canada, from America, from the Caribbean. What was it like for you to see so many of your former students?
Well, as I said, you know, I was humbled by the occasion, because when I saw people like Mikey holding there, you know, you don't get bigger than Mikey. So I felt very, very, very flattered. And seeing those players like Frank Brown and Dunkley and Laggy and Dan Clark, what reflected in my mind was the first time that Jamaica participated in the World Championships in 1965. And to me, I still maintain that that crop of players were undoubtedly one of the best set of players that we have put on the field. The reason why they didn't go beyond was the lack of funds. They didn't have money. Penna did not have money to prepare them properly, although we gave good accounts of ourselves. But when you see those men in the room, and I would hope that the young people do not believe that football really started in 1998. And I'm sorry that many of them didn't get to meet these people.